So where should you work? In a large company or a startup? Well, if it's your first job and you don't have much offers, any option is good to gain experience. But if you have the privilege to choose between the two, you must know some major pros and cons. As for the large company, the main plus is that you'll be earning a stable salary, which can be pretty high comparing to most startups. Startups usually have to count every penny and they can't afford to pay you a lot. Unless they become successful, and then you might be making millions, but honestly, it's quite a lottery. Because 9 out of 10 businesses usually fail, and it's normal. Also, in a large company you will have a particular role. If you are a front-end web dev, your job will be to center divs inside other divs all day long and change button colors. Whereas in a startup you will be a jack of all trades, doing the front-end, back-end, design, writing code in C++ if needed, and even answering the phone calls because the only guy from the call center quit his job yesterday and they didn't find a new one. Startups are chaotic. Don't expect 9 to 5 job, but instead expect 12 to 14-hour days, 6 or 7 days a week, with a high probabilities of failing, but with an opportunity to become rich. But a great plus here, in startups you will learn a lot, much more and much faster than a typical engineer will in a large company. And not only you will master web development much quicker, you might learn a lot about design, marketing, product management, pitching, sales, and running a startup in general along the way. So after this startup you are working for most likely fails, you might start your own one. To sum it up, if you are looking for boring, stable, high-paying job, join a large company. If you want your life to become a mess for the next 12 months, experience a major burnout, work for peanuts with a slim chance to become rich, but learn a lot of new skills which will be worth the pain, definitely join a startup. Depending on what type of person you are and your phase of life, you might want to choose one over the other. It was Dimitri, and thanks for watching.